Hello, YouTube family. This is Iris. We are just 37 days away from spring. And if your outdoors look like this in Garden Zone 6A, I wanted to give you part 2 of what you can do while you wait. So today's date is Wednesday, February 10th, and I want to show you some of the things that you can do while you wait for spring. So the first would be, while some people enjoy the fun parts of television with CSI Miami or staying informed with different news broadcasts, I look at, pardon my finger there, garden videos. So this is my favorite form of entertainment. And the one individual I want you to take a look at is Gardenista. Her drip irrigation system has given me inspiration, and she has a wonderful Amazon shopping list of all the supplies needed, and that's something I can do while I wait for the weather to permit me to go outside. Another individual that I enjoy watching is the Garden Addict. I believe she's in a closer garden zone. I think Gardenista is in zone 7, and I want to say Garden Addict may be in a 5 or 4, I'm not sure. But she has turned me on to plant rescues at our local Lowe's, where you can get plants at various bargain prices. So in addition to using YouTube for entertainment, you can query anything on the computer, and Google will help you find out anything you'd like to know about plants or new projects. Another option is a garden encyclopedia. My father-in-law gave this to me years ago, and it has come in handy now as I want to learn more about different plant families. Another option for something you can do in addition to research is kind of journaling your garden experience. I began this book shortly after we bought our house, and it kind of just was a safe place to put all my plant labels, and it literally just helps me reference it whenever I need to remember anything about our plants to date. It's been kind of fun over time to look at things that we've acquired. It's been especially nice to have the garden clearance prices on them, and I just didn't happen to turn to any of those. But all of my amaryllis I bought on clearance, and that was a bargain. Another fun thing to do in the planting season is keeping a calendar for your garden. Things that you want to acquire or learn about. These are some of the times that I was in a tremendous video watching moment. Like HortTube has a series of videos of what to do in January, what to do in February, what to do. They're unfortunately in a different garden zone, but I watched all those videos, and I'll adjust that to-do list accordingly. But a calendar is really nice because you can kind of plan out when you want to finish a project, have something done by this date so you can plant by these dates, and you know what kind of cushions you have. It's even nice when you know you won't be in the garden, or when you know that it's almost time to start packing up things. They're nice points of reference. This calendar is also very nice for visually planning out additional space. So this is going to be our small scale urban vegetable garden. This is where that raised vegetable garden bed is going to go. How that changes, where all these plants are, ripples into this, which helps to create this guy. So it's gonna be an exciting spring, so I'll keep you guys informed with that. But anything you can do to help you kind of plan out what you do. As I learn more about planning a vegetable garden, I picked up a book. It's a perfect time to start a new book. And one of the books that I'm starting is the Square Foot Vegetable Gardening, utilizing the most of my space in a very narrow allocation, So another is the Farmer's Almanac. There's no way you just by osmosis learn what to plant when. Even if you watched a lot of YouTube videos, you still would need points of reference. So this from the Farmer's Almanac, you put in your zip code, it tells you your zone and what to plant when, from seeding to transplanting. It's really, really cool. And last but not least, I have also committed to learning the names of the plants in my own garden. So these, it's like a little, I don't know, game I play. These are the plants I've learned. These are the ones that are remaining. So if someone should come to the garden and want to know for their own personal garden, what is the name of that plant, I'll do more than just call it pretty. I want to be informative. So these are the types of things you might have fun with. Some people might like just one, just to journal. Another might like having a full binder, and others may like just utilizing YouTube. But these are just ideas, starting a new book, just writing out from day to day what came to you about, ooh, we should do there's a new thing called, it's not new to everyone, but cold frame gardening. I just ran into that. So I was thinking, not too much, because right now all you're doing is thinking about things, but maybe that'll be my top layer for my small scale urban vegetable garden. But this is planting season. So I hope you all are enjoying this beautiful day. The sun is coming up earlier and sticking around longer. So enjoy the planting moment. It goes so fast. It's just like watching time. It's just gone. So just ideas for what you can do in Garden Zone 6A. You all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.